about the elastic distribution of OpenTelemetry, EDO. So, who has heard about EDO already? Okay, so it's good that I'm explaining it. So, Elastic has an EDO, or an elastic distribution of OpenTelemetry for example, the collector, but also other components, meaning that we built a layer on top of the basic open source components. So we're using the core components and we utilize extension points to add additional data to make it fit better into Kibana, for example. We also have an opinionated configuration just to make sure the data in Kibana works well together. And then we can also provide technical support on top of this, because we have the code in our code base. We can more easily do releases, and then we'll make sure it also gets added upstream, but it's gonna be more quickly than if we have to wait for the upstream release.